Yeah. Rico, let me tell y'all what I got on.
Hold up, Jetson made another one.
Mason Margiela, Fendi, Mason Margiela, Louis V, Mason Margiela, Gucci, Mason Margiela, white tee.
What is up, you guys? I am back with another video. Today I will be doing a tutorial on passion twist or Havana twist, whatever you call them. This is not my first time doing this type of protective style on someone else. However, it is my first time videotaping myself doing them, so please be gentle with me. This was my first time and I tried the best I could to get everything in. So first I just started out by taking some water and using it on my client to moisturize her hair and to lock in some moisture with some of the styling gel that I used on her. I am doing medium to small size parting, and I'm just using the traditional box style parting technique on her hair. I am going in with some rubber bands that I did soak in oil prior to putting them in her hair. I'm mainly doing this just because I want to make sure that the style remains secure as possible, and I do have nails, so it would be kind of hard to lock them in myself. Now that I am done with parting, I am just taking a crochet needle and I'm using that to apply this hair into her rubber band or part. As you can see, I am just taking the hair. It starts out very tight and curly. I am just taking it, fluffing it out, stretching it out so that we can get that long length that she wants. She wants it down her back. So I just fluffed it out, stretched it out. Now I'm applying it to the part, and I'm taking her real hair and I'm going to use some of that same styling gel to stretch her real hair out and incorporate it into the twist. One particular thing that I noticed with doing passion twist or Havana twist is that it's very important to twist in the direction of the curl pattern. So if the curl pattern is curling towards the left or right, it is very important to twist that way, or the curls will end up unraveling and your real hair will show through the twist. Because her hair is more shorter in the back than it is in the front part, that does cause her hair to be more susceptible to slipping out. So what I do is, after crocheting, I leave a small loop open and I just take one piece of or one side of the strand of curly hair, and I pull it through, creating a knot, which leaves the hair to be more secure. And then I just begin twisting and incorporating her real hair into the twist. One reason why you may see me unraveling sometimes is because I'm just making sure that I am following the direction of the curl pattern of the Freetress hair, the curly hair that I'm braiding with. And sometimes it may seem like I am going in the right direction when actually I find out later on in the twist that I am not. So don't be too frustrated when you find that you often have to do that. This is a very strategic style of braiding and it may take a long time, so just be patient with yourself and you will get it along the way. Here I just pushed the camera back a little bit just so you could see the length and the effect of stretching and fluffing out the hair. The original strand of hair was around 18 to 20 inches. So with me stretching it out and fluffing it, this was how long the twist extended to be. Now that I am done with her hair, I am just going in with some FoamE or mousse and taking it to get rid of those flyaways. Then I believe I'm going to go in with some Got To Be holding spray. I do this just to secure the real hair and make sure that it doesn't frizz up, especially with natural hair or 4C hair. It's very important that you use this. And now I'm just finalizing the finishing touch with some Argan oil sheen. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe.